Yes, I am back with another interesting recipe you are going to love to try. On this video, I'm going to show you guys how I made this pumpkin chicken pie. So if you're interested on this video, watch to the end and also help me to share. As you can see, I have pumpkin with me. I'm just going to peel it off, chop into smaller size, cook it, and then I'm going to mash it very, very smooth. Once I'm done mashing it up like this, next I'm going to allow it to cool down a little bit before I add my flour on it. So I made use of 4 cups of self-rising flour, so no need of me putting baking powder on it. I added nutmeg on it and then I start to mix. This is very simple. There's no point of you adding egg or butter. Just keep all those ones apart side, okay? And then I use my hands now to mix it up very, very well. If you are the type that love to try things, try this recipe. You are going to love it. It's not like our regular meat pie or chicken pie. This one is top notch. It tastes amazing. If you're going to give this a go, let me know in the comment section. So once I'm done mixing up like this, next I'm going to cut off the size I'm going to roll out. If you notice, it's not sticky on my hand and it's very soft. So when you're mixing it, that is what you want to see, okay? Next, I cut off a little bit and then use my rolling stick to roll it out like this. So once I'm done rolling it out like this, next I'm going to go in with my filling. If you don't want to use chicken sauce, you can use beef, you can use fish, whichever one you have. So this is chicken. I bought chicken, debone it, and then grind it with my grinder. I went in with red bell pepper, onions. You know how we prepare our sauce. Just like that with your ingredients, and then that is it. Lastly, I'm just going to use my fork to give it a design, just like what you're seeing now, and then that is it. Okay, guys, if you find this video helpful, please do well to help me to share it, okay, so that it gets to more people. All right. So guys, once I'm done, next I'm going to place it on my baking tray, and then I'm going to use egg white to apply on the top of the dough. The reason why I'm applying egg white is just to give it a shiny surface, okay? So lastly, I use my fork to pierce into it like this so that it's going to give space for the vapor to come out. Then I use my egg white to rub it around like this, and then that is it. I'm just going to put it in the oven, bake for 120 degrees for 15 minutes. Guys, take a look at this. Does this right here look like something you will love to try? Trust me, you are going to love it. It tastes amazing. Like, oh my goodness, this is so delicious, guys. Take a look at this. See how succulent it is. I don't know whether I speak that English fine. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you find it helpful. Please do well to help me to share this video, okay? See you all on my next video. Bye.